Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Today we are going to walk you through how to use the emergency controls on the Traccess 230, also known as the CTE 75 that we sell, service, and rent here at Wellbuilt Equipment. Super simple, don't have to walk all over the place on the machine. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure the machine is running, and then come down to this side of the engine cover. There's one knob that we have to turn in right here. It's the knob all the way up on the top right that my finger's pointing at. Once that knob is turned on, the hydraulic oil flow will go up to the emergency controls manifold on the side of the machine, and then we have proportional control here to activate the controls. So I'll go ahead and fire it up and show you guys how it works. Engine's running. We're going to turn in our one knob. Then you come over here, and this is your proportional controls for the hydraulic emergencies. You can see when I push down on the lever, the gauge is going to spike. So the more you push down, the faster your controls work. The diagram here shows you what every function is that operates. Just like when you're using the machine and stowing it, you want to make sure that you bring the jib down, retract it, then lower the upper boom arm, then lower the lower boom arms, and get it back into the cradle. Everything's going to have the sensors off. If you need to kill the computer, the key switch is right here. Put your key in, turn that to the right, it's going to disconnect the sensors on the machine. Run every emergency control. Again, it's super easy. Just hold down the lever. You see the gauge loads up. You can hear the engine bog down a little. And then everything's push buttons. So you just push it, top and bottom, whatever function you need to operate. There's no detent. There's no levers to attach. And then when you're done, come back over here. Turn your knob back out. Once you turn the machine off, make sure the battery turns off. Give it a second to reset. Fire it back up, and you should have no error codes, and you're ready to go.